Hello, today we have our beautiful Naja kaouthia, the Thai cobra. This particular snake is a triple morph, if you can see her obviously. She's a Orange Pastel Highlite and is just shedded and is a beautiful snake. So we are gonna feed her tonight to watch her a little bit. Right, I'm gonna try a rat pink today. She didn't eat rats before, so let's see how she's gonna take it. But she's definitely hungry because she just shed and didn't have much to eat. Of course, I didn't feed her much outside of her enclosure before, so let's see how she's gonna take it. Ah, there you go, that was a bite. And let's see if she's gonna follow through. I'm sorry for the background voice. I have my dear wife watching some comedy in the other room, so it's going to be a bit noisy today. But hopefully we will be just fine. For those of you guys who do not know, Naja kaouthia is a cobra species. They mainly come from Thailand, but they also live in other Southeast Asia countries. They're beautiful animals. They normally do not look like this. They're much darker. The chocolate brown color with a monocle type mark on the back of their hood. However, this snake is a result of multiple genetic mutations. As you can see, the hood is not a complete monocle, but it's almost like a spectacled Indian cobra type mark at the back. And she has 3 bands, and the 4th band turns out to cover all her body as a speckle. And she is absolutely foul when it comes to temperament, as you can see, but that orange color is so beautiful. She still lives in a small plastic bin, but she's getting large enough to take her own terrarium, and I need to, next week or the week after, I'm gonna place her in a much better cage with naturalistic environment. So hopefully we will see her in her terrarium soon. Of course, she's gonna feed, but again, as I told you, she's a bit shy right now because she is outside of her terrarium and she normally eats inside. So we're just gonna wait until she gets comfortable to eat. She's definitely hungry. As I said, she recently shed 3-4 days ago, so she hasn't fed in about 2 weeks. It's just gonna be a matter of time. Of course, this is gonna be her first rat, and the smell and the taste of a rat is different from a mouse, believe it or not. And some snakes just enjoy mouse and not rats, so this will also be an experiment. When it comes to cobras, they usually, when they get to eat, they usually eat anything and everything. But let's see what happens. Right, now I'm just gonna remind her that there's food present. And here we go. So the orange pastel gene results in a orange animal basically, but this highlight gene makes them a lot more darker, especially on the sides of the hood. So this girl is going to turn out to be a very beautiful, spectacular animal. But I really don't know what's gonna come out of it, so we'll wait and see. Again, with cobras, feeding is usually quite quick. They'll just go ahead and eat the prey animal. But again, there's a taste element here that is different. That's one thing. The other thing is, again, the safety issue. But she got the hang of it and she's gonna eat it. I think she's really turning out to be one spectacularly colored animal. Very beautiful. And with each shed, the orange is coming out as well, which is very cool. The eyes are also very interesting. The sides of the eyes are yellowish colored, and you know, it's a bit different than what you would expect. This is general information. The snake's venom is quite potent and can result in a death if it's untreated. The main problem is the neurotoxins, which will basically paralyze the diaphragm muscle and cause death by not being able to breathe, asphyxiation, but even though that effect is, you know, somehow stopped by antivenom or a respirator, etc., they also have a lot of myotoxins and cardiotoxins in their venom, which affect your muscles, destroy your muscles, and destroy your heart muscles as well. And in effect actually can shut down your kidneys. So it's not a nice venom really, and it's almost always causes necrotic lesions. I have seen one guy bitten on his stomach while he was trying to release an animal that he was grabbing, and his basically all the muscle and fat melted in a area where you could see the guy's internal cavity from the hole that was there. So very serious venom, absolutely should be taken absolutely seriously and shouldn't be messed with much. But as with most Naja, they bluff a lot, they hop and puff a lot, but they're not like vipers. When vipers bite, they bite. These guys, you know, they will charge you, sometimes strike with closed mouth, etc. You know, a lot more bluff than actual biting. But when they bite, it's going to be a serious issue, so they should be avoided. I think I'm going to give her another one, as she really liked that. That's a really nice food, as you can see. That's a very nice food. Whoa, beautiful, beautiful snake. I'm sure she'll like another one. There you go. Yeah, that's food. Yeah, when cobras get into feeding mode, you really should be careful with them, because once they smell that food and get into the feeding mode, they'll bite anything. My Samar cobras are just, they go insane when they smell food inside their cages, and you really shouldn't be in the strike range when that happens. Just gonna close to that head. We see this beautiful chocolate brown and orange color. It's gonna be a spectacular animal, seriously. Right, that's gonna be good enough for her this week, as I won't be here to feed her on Wednesday. I normally feed these guys a couple times a week, but it's very nice, and she is done. As you can see, these highlights on the side of the hood is very apparent when she hoods. Very, very cool looking animal. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed this. I think this turned out to be a nice video. Let's make her hood again so we can see those beautiful colors. I'm just basically moving my hand in her vision so she makes a hood for us, but really she doesn't have any chance to strike me in this distance. Alright, thanks for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe, all that stuff, and spread the good word. I really need more subscribers. And thank you very much. Have a very good day. Bye.